Hello, welcome to this weather alert. We're talking about these very slow-moving downpours right now that are going across the middle of the island that have just popped up along this. I guess it's like kind of a boundary or something here. But you can see we'll just run this radar. You'll see what we mean here. They just popped up like that, and they're not really going to be moving much. They're not going to really be moving all that much, these storms. We're going to look at this radar here as well, and you can see they're almost training in a line. We'll get the high-resolution radar on here as well. Not much thunder or lightning with these, just a lot of heavy rain, and that's the concern, is that we're going to be dealing with this heavy rain. So here's what, again, showing you what's going on the radar. Almost like there's a sea breeze front here or something, but you can see here, these cells just popped up along this boundary right here. So we're concerned about flooding today. So if we go look at our hazards map, you'll see that we've got a flood watch in effect. New Jersey's under a severe thunderstorm watch that includes part of the Hudson Valley, west of the Hudson, and also rip current statements as well. And it looks like now we have a flood advisory for central Long Island as well. So this is the concern that we have with these slow-moving storms. Looking at some of the conditions outside right now, 84. Dew point is 79 at Farmingdale with light rain. So we are seeing it's very, very humid out there again. Dew point is 76 at Islip. And I can tell you it's been pouring here in Mineola for a while now. These storms aren't moving very fast. So these could put down a decent amount of rain. All right. Let's go to the HRRR model here, and you'll see here this is underestimating it. All right, so this was actually right a little bit earlier, but now it's not. We're gonna look at the NAM instead. I think maybe the NAM is handling it a little bit better. But these showers are just gonna sit over the same areas over and over and over. Even the NAM's not handling this. What model could be handling this properly? Let's look at the FV3. That's a little more like it. Right, but you can see we could wind up getting a lot of rain as a result of this. Total accumulated precip on this, you could see at least 3 to 4 inches just today alone. And it could be even more than that. So, and honestly, I think these models are underestimating it. These storms are moving very slow, and they're going to cause flash flooding. It's the main issue that we're going to see today, I think, with these storms. So that's going to wrap up this weather alert here, as we deal with these downpours throughout the day. Not much thunder or lightning with them, but definitely you can see that we've got, can actually go, there's a briefing from the Weather Service that we'll go ahead and look at it. And it says 1 to 2 inches area wide with locally 3 to 5 inches possible this afternoon into Wednesday. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches, locally 3 inches per hour into early Wednesday morning. All right, now we have another major rainfall event with the remnants of Debbie. This is our excessive rainfall outlook, and they've now placed our area into a moderate risk, which I haven't seen this in a long while. Most of Long Island, except for the eastern half of Suffolk, in the moderate risk for heavy rain. And you can see this is some of the forecasts that they have, and like I said, this could be even higher than this. And then there's Debbie, so we'll talk about that later tonight. But this is going to be a very active day today again and again. The main threat, flash flooding, and knowing Mineola, there's going to be a lot of flooding here because we don't have any drainage. So that's going to wrap things up for now. Try to stay dry today. It's going to be a wet day.